The moment you've all been waiting for has finally happened. The Plastidip on the emblem has peeled off and it's time to patch it up. And it didn't peel off for the reason you might think. So when I carry my mountain bikes around, there's frequently just a pad over the back of the tailgate and the tires hang off the edge. But what happened was the bike shifted and it started rubbing on the G here. And as you can see, it started peeling off. It's kind of messed up in a couple places, kind of not there and here. So what we're going to do is touch the Plastidip up, and I'm going to show you how to do that without removing a whole bunch of this. I might peel it back a little bit more to get some of these scuffs off of here, but show you how easy it is to touch up and what it's going to look like. This is going to be the fastest, easiest fix for Plastidip. Obviously, you need a can of Plastidip. Second thing for touch up, you need a piece of cardboard, and then I went ahead and cut a slit right in the middle of this cardboard. I'm going to stick it right over where it needs to be sprayed. I'm not going to tape anything off. So right here and here are the areas that we need to touch up. Quick little test spray. I think it works. Go ahead and line it up. When you're touching up, you just want to do a quick light coat, have something to grab onto, and then you can go on and do some heavier coats. This is the second area. Now let's let that sit and we'll do some more. If you find these videos helpful, go ahead and do me a favor and hit the like button, subscribe. It definitely helps the channel out, helps me get better new products into the mix, and we'll continue to grow the channel. But let's get back into it. And then as you can see, now that you've done a few layers, it actually builds back up on itself and it evens itself out with the layers that are already on there. So this is extremely easy to touch up, make it look new again if something does happen, if something does rub up on it. But this took quite a bit of force for this to start peeling off like this. So that's the touch-up process. You can see it looks good again. No problems. The whole process took less than about 30 minutes to really get it done. If the weather is better, it can be faster or shorter, kind of depends on where you're at, where humidity levels are. It really is a quick process. That's going to do it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.